Hi, what's up? Just want to tell you guys, I'm going to smoke the cigarette, and it's a Marlboro Red. Yeah, that's right. I switched. I no longer smoke Newports. Yay! I don't even know why I switched, but I just know it's better for me. Probably. So... I'm going to get my little baby kitty. I'll show you. Because he's really cute. Let me move this chair first. There's a person laying on this futon. Here. This is Rambo. Isn't he cute? He's sleeping. He says hi. He's getting so big. But this is Pepper. She's so cute. Say hi, Pep.
Oh.
Alright. Bye.